okuncane ke singakhuluma ngakho ngoba okwamanje sisakhankasa asikamele ukukhuluma sakhankasa nje kuphela. In other words, we are still campaigning. We are saying more in the campaign that we are making. I'm sure we'll say more things after that. But however, they have said they needed just to hear what is going on. Now, I'm sure after our appearance in Johannesburg, where we indicated our aims and what we are going to do after winning elections, that story is going to go on and on and on because we do things. And fortunately, those who are in South Africa who know me in particular, they will know that during the period that I was the president of this country, there were very clear things that I did. And indeed, it was as a result of what I was doing that some people thought I should move off even before finishing my term. But things have gone wrong, in my view, from the organization that I lived for a long time. I reached a point where I could not tolerate it. And I decided to establish a political party so that I can fulfill the desires of the poor, the oppressed, the ones who are suffering more than any in the country. I have therefore been contesting to change this country in many ways. Well, there are many people who are disadvantaged in many ways. Part of that disadvantage is education. There are many kids that cannot finish their schooling, no matter how they feel, because the country is not taking care of them. One of the things we'll do will be enforce free education so that South Africans, all of them, will be educated so that they are in a better position to develop their country, change their country into a better country. But we'll also finish unemployment. Everybody will be employed. We'll create industries throughout the country. Some of the industries will be where the people are, so that we're in a better position to develop and have everybody working. We will also ensure that no small children are sitting and drinking throughout the day. They will all be taken to school. We'll also bring dignity and discipline in the country. That the young people, once they reach the age of 18, they finish matric, they will be taken to military training so that they are taught how to defend the country. That would be absolutely important for us to do to change this country. There will be no city and township. There will be city everywhere. Because I don't understand why there must be a part of certain people which is called something else, while the other one is called something else. We will change this country, change the laws, which are the laws that are not dealing with the majority people of this country, being known as the Roman Dutch laws. Now, if you've got Romans here in the Dutch, they must have come in. They are not indigenous of these people. We are Africans. We must have African laws. they could mix with others, but we should, because some of these laws are contradictory, as I've been saying when I've been campaigning. But we are going to change the economy of this country. There is a lot that we are going to do to make South Africans happy. That is why we've taken this decision to be part of those who must contest to create a better South Africa. We've been in the struggle for our freedom, and we came to what we call freedom, but not yet complete. We still want to finish that run so that we can say in South Africa, we are happy, all of us. We said this on Saturday to tell people what is it that we want to do. But for us to be able to do this, we have talked to the South African people, black and white, that must win with a 2/3 majority so that it is easy for us to change the status quo, so that there is real freedom. We are all happy. We are all feeling at home. Thank you for the opportunity that you have given to me to say these few words. We'll say more. And when we're in power, we'll even do more. We'll not just say more, we'll do more to make this country a better country for its citizens. Thank you very much.